Hello, we're back on the second video of MrAndMrsFree's, and we are doing a review on flashlight. It is the Energizer Weather Ready. So, right off the bat, hey, stop busting dubstep! Oh, I kind of like it. Okay, now the review. This comes with a sling strap. Comes with 3 modes. Very good. So this is the first one. Alright, sorry. Second, it's a lantern. And now this is the soothing one. Very, very good. Good for lanterns and stuff. And yeah, LED technology. You can clip it to anywhere because of the strap. And it has 2 bulbs in the top. I don't know what they are, but stop. Okay. Sorry. This is a serious video. Most definitely. You know? And see you later.